Welcome to Case Series. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more courtroom drama.
Guys, the Honorable Judge Porter is presiding. Court is now in session. Morning.
Good morning, everyone. Please be seated. Jeff, good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning. It's hot out there, right?
Just a little bit. Just a little bit.
Yeah.
We're here for case number 3135, City of Mango Park versus Natalia Dragovich. Ms. Dragovich, can you please come to the podium? Do we have a representative from Mango Park here? Do we have a Ms. Dragovich here?
Oh.
Hi. Hi.
Oh, I know you lying. Miss Dragovich, ma'am. You are Miss Dragovich?
Yeah.
Okay, first off, why are you wearing sunglasses in my courtroom? Is the sun in here or something?
Sorry, it's for style.
Okay. Second thing, why are you...
Hey.
Why are you wearing a bikini top and short shorts in my courtroom?
A bikini top?
Yes, why are you dressed like that?
Your Honor, I just come straight from the photo shoot. Time is...
Welcome back to the Courtroom Chronicles, where chaos meets justice and logic tries its hardest to survive. Today's case, City of Mango Park versus Natalia Dragovich. At first glance, it's just a traffic ticket. But hold on to your seats, because what unfolds is pure courtroom theater. From sunglasses and gum to bikini tops and Lamborghini excuses. The defendant? A model with confidence, so high it might need its own driver's license. The judge? A man trying to preserve order amid glam and chaos. What happens when fashion meets the gavel? Let's find out, because this is not your typical speeding case.
What is going on here?
Hey, don't you have a woman at home, or did you forget that?
I still have eyes.
You remember that this is being recorded, right? She might see this.
I still got eyes.
Can we begin, please? I have place to be, okay?
Ma'am, why are you dressed like that?
Your Honor, I come straight from the photo shoot.
What
and
photo
honestly,
shoot?
look at this place. I bring at least some touch of aesthetic in here.
She couldn't help it, Judge. She couldn't help it. She had a photo shoot.
I
had a photo shoot.
Are you chewing gum in my courtroom?
Yeah.
Ms. Dragovich,
I'm sorry. You're right. I'm sorry. Let's just begin. Whatever you say, let's begin.
Hold on. Wait, before we even get started on this, you're going to take that gum off my podium. I don't care where you put it, but you're taking that gum off my podium. If you got to swallow it, I don't care. Get that gum off my podium.
Can you... Do you have a...
Hold on. Hold. Oh, my God. Here, I got a piece of paper. Here.
You're making so much drama because of the gum?
And there it is, the entrance that shook the courtroom. Natalia doesn't just walk in. She struts in like it's Milan Fashion Week, chewing gum and rocking a bikini top. But this isn't a runway. It's a legal proceeding. Her attitude screams confidence, but in a courtroom, confidence without respect quickly turns into contempt. This is where many defendants go wrong. They treat the judge like a background character, not the director. But here's the million-dollar question. Is this boldness confidence or just calculated chaos?
Oh, man.
Give me a second. Woosha.
Are you okay?
Woosha.
Maybe you need some water.
Okay, Ms. Dragovich, ma'am, you don't wear that type of attire to court. Now, I do understand you said that you were running late and you had a photo shoot, I believe you said. But when you come to court, you have to dress in a more presentable manner. And I'm assuming you're a model or something like that?
Yeah, I'm so sorry. I just didn't think that I should bring a business clothes on my photo shoot.
You have to be somewhat at the very least, business casual.
Do you have like a T-shirt for me or something?
To wrap? Do we have a wrap or anything?
Not that I know of.
No, I'm sorry. We're just gonna have to let it.
Your Honor, I get paid for photo shoots in the bikini, so you should appreciate that. Seriously.
Yeah.
Let's just have a moment of appreciation for the beauty.
Appreciation.
He gets me.
Yeah.
You know what I appreciate? I appreciate people coming to my courtroom on time, which you did not do. I appreciate people who come into my courtroom properly attired, which you are not. I appreciate people who do not take their gum and put it on my podium, which you did. I appreciate my wife, so excuse me if I offend you, but you are not.
Boom. The judge just fired back. No hesitation, no filter. When Natalia tried to turn charm into strategy, Judge Porter reminded her that charisma doesn't count as legal defense. That "you're not attractive to me" line, brutal but necessary. It's not about looks, it's about decorum. What we're witnessing is a man setting the tone for his courtroom. Logic over ego, professionalism over performance. Question for you. Was this a fair clapback, or did the judge get a little too personal?
I'm sorry.
Oh, wow, okay.
No, I don't mean
I
to
guess
offend
everyone
you.
can have a bad taste. What can I say? I'm pretty attractive to him. Right? Your Honor,
you trying to get on my bad side?
I apologize. You know what? I don't want to get arrested.
Oh, you're
Again.
getting close to it.
So, I'm sorry if I was a little bit too much.
Ma'am, you are here because of traffic tickets. Apparently, you were speeding through a school zone. Am I reading this correctly?
Yeah, I guess it was a school zone.
And why were you speeding through a school zone?
But I wasn't even speeding.
You weren't speeding?
Yeah, the officer stopped me because I looked hot.
How would the officer know you look hot if you're
Because my roof was off. My roof was down.
You were
You could
driving
see me. I was driving. My hair was like, you know.
So you were driving a
Stop me.
convertible and you're saying he stopped you because you look...
Why else? Because I wasn't driving too fast. It was like 40 kilometers or something.
Okay, ma'am, you were going through a school zone.
Yeah, but there
The
were no
school
kids.
zone is 15 miles per hour. Are you aware of that?
But there were no kids. No one was there. The street was empty.
I understand that, but between a certain time, you have to drive a certain speed.
Well, I'm still on European time. Maybe that's why.
And you know what? You know what? Like you said, maybe the odometer on your car was set for kilometers versus miles per hour.
That's
but here's the
probably
problem.
why. Well, it's Italian
but here's the problem, though. Here's the problem, though. The speed limit is 15 miles per hour in a school zone. Even if you were to convert that from miles per hour to kilometers per hour, that still comes up to 25 miles per hour, which is still 10 miles over.
Oh, that's what happened.
Yeah,
so I did the conversion wrong. I'm so sorry.
Even if you do the conversion right, you're still going 10 miles over the speed limit through a school zone.
This right here is classic entitlement logic. No kids, no problem. But that's not how law works. School zones exist to prevent what-ifs, not react to them. Even if the road's empty, the risk remains. Judge Porter brilliantly exposes how perception and law rarely align. Her argument is emotional. His response is procedural. And when emotions meet rules, guess who wins? The rules. Still, you have to admire her confidence. Wrong, but confident.
I'm sorry about this. I didn't mean to do that. It just happened because this car is very fast. And sometimes when I wear shoes like that, I don't really feel the pedal. So when I press, it just goes, you know?
I understand. It's the shoes.
Yeah.
It's the shoes.
Yeah.
Like Air Jordans. It's the shoes. It's the shoes. Yeah, it's the shoes.
Just shoes.
I understand that.
Thank you so much.
Okay. Give me a second, ma'am. Okay. And you got another ticket here for failure to yield.
But that was not true because I yielded. I remember 100%. I saw the store, okay, and there was this window reflection, and I looked at myself, I yielded. I had a moment to pause because I appreciated my hair that day, like really big time. So I did yield. I didn't even have a picture.
I believe her.
Yeah, you can see that.
Oh, it gets better. Natalia's yielding defense might go down as one of the funniest ever recorded. She didn't stop for traffic. She stopped for her reflection. That's not yielding. That's self-admiration on wheels. The irony? She did pause, but for vanity, not safety. And this is what makes the case both hilarious and dangerous. She's treating traffic laws like fashion advice, optional and mood-based. Imagine being behind her at a stop sign while she's fixing her hair for Instagram. Yikes.